Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. In case you did know or didn't know, I am on a PR team for verse planning, and Abby, is the founder and owner of that company, and she is so generous, you guys. She has sent her PR team boxes of welcome. So let me show you what she included and we'll go from there. So first is this amazing planner, and I'm almost tempted to add this to my lineup this year. So let's go over this. It comes with plastic black discs, which is so aesthetically pleasing to me. Also, if this is your first time joining, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping in. So Get It Done planner, it's undated, and look at this. So she includes all of the months, so you get quite a few months, right? And then you get the tabs, and all of that is punched into your planner, so it does come out. It's the same exact size as a happy planner, so that's why I'm saying that I could very easily Franken-plan this. Okay. So you get this, and then you get more stickers. So look at these. House key, little travel, family time, like look at this summer, graduation. Super, super cute. And then it comes with this planner belongs to name, phone, email. Get It Done planner. So it is undated planner, was created to assist organizing and reaching your goals. Get it done lists, things you need to do this year, and you put yourself on a deadline, which helps. Then you have a yearly overview. So 2024, all of the dates, 2025, all of the dates, 2026, all of the dates, you guys. This is impressive. Okay, positive affirmations. Do not leave any blanks. So I believe, I'm capable of, I aim, I will not, I focus, I cannot, I forgive, I accept, love is, and then some empty I statements. And on this side, I am grateful for, I make, I practice, I will, I do not, I am comfortable, I deserve, I am open, I understand, life is. Pretty awesome. And then you have my ideal life. So you just write some things about how you would like this to look. So family, financial, health, social, education, career, and character. Love those. My reasons. To get top 4 reasons of why you want to accomplish your goals. A love letter to myself. And then you have a vision board. And these are the tiniest dot grids I've ever seen. And then weight loss or weight gain tracker. And then before and after. So you track that. And moody year. So you put the color and then you track every single day. Then you have savings. So month and deposits. This month is. So we get into the month. And this month's affirmations. Look how fun this is. And then this is the undated monthly view. So you have priorities, to-do list, notes, all of the monthly dates, and then month and the year. So cool. This is the weekly view. Holy moly, I love this. Says so many things like robust in here. Quote of the week. My mood. Notes, Sunday through Saturday. So it starts on a Sunday. Then you have priorities, and then every day you have a to-do list. You have a little thing of here. You have a habit tracker for a week and things to remember. This is insanely awesome. So yeah, every week looks the same. You get 5 weeks, and then you get a monthly recap. Did you accomplish last month's goals? If your goal is going to take more time, Did you take a genuine steps towards the goal? What was successful about this past month? What obstacles have you had this past month? What did you need to improve for the upcoming month? And then you have notes, and then it starts again. So that's the second month. And that's kind of how it goes. Let's see. Yeah, all the way to the end. So weekly view, and then months recap, and then you get a year recap, you guys. And then some free writing. And then networking catalog, so you get some contact cards up here or contact things, and then look at you get it done. So that's the verse planning planner. This beautiful, you guys. I love how clean and really nice it is. The paper feels really good. So that's the first thing Abby sent me. And then I also got stickers, and she also included a shirt, you guys. Look how adorable this is. Sorry, I like moving stuff. So yeah, I got a shirt from her, the verse planning. I love it. It is huge, so I wanted it oversized. So super exciting. And then in this envelope, she has included stickers. And let me tell you, these stickers, you guys, are, oh, the feel is so luxurious. If you got one of her books, which, by the way, those are the two that I have that I purchased. The feel is the same, and it's so luxurious. Okay, so let's go over the stickers. So look at this, all the happy smiles. Yeah, these pages are so thick, I never know if I'm grabbing one or more. And then these are the little bubbles. Look at this. Pattern Madness. So awesome. Then she included days of the week in different shades, to do, meeting, deadline, day off. And then there's this one. I love it. Then she included a whole bunch of girls. I love her. She looks so relaxed. I love her. She looks so chic. I love her. I love all the girls. Oh, she included one of these too. Okay. Love it. Then I have some boxes. Look at this sassy one. And I have this one. I'm not sure if all of us on a PR got the same ones, but I am loving mine. So then she included the verse planning. Look at these outfits, you guys. I just love it. Then this, and then this. So that's what I got from Abby from Verse Planning. Thank you again so much for all these goodies. And she is having a new sticker launch tomorrow, which is, or actually today when I'm posting this, which is the 17th of January. I am so excited. So if you guys are interested, support her, because I am going to as well. I'm super excited about those stickers and the planner and all the goodies she sent me, and I can't wait to get more. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun. I love sharing and showing you guys all of the stuff that I get and all of the stuff that I purchase. So thanks so much for hanging out with me, and have a great day.